Let's go face down for me. Alright, she's like, now I know what to expect, kind of. Perfect. So same thing, rhomboids are tight. Your neck is tighter than his mid-back was tighter. Alright, deep breath for me. All the way out. Good. Good. One more. There it is. You okay?
Yep.
While you're here, I'm going to work on these muscles for you. See, she wore an easy shirt.
Right.
Now, do you get headaches? I forgot to ask you.
Yes.
How often?
Randomly, yes.
Okay. How many times a week would you say? Or is that...
2.
Okay, let's go face up. So we want none. We don't want any headaches.
Yeah.
Right? Because headaches aren't... Once or twice a year is what's common in a headache.
Exactly.
Beautiful. So relax as much as you can. You ready? Deep breath for me and relax. Good. There we go. Yeah. See, you get headaches. That's why your upper back is tight.
Am I alive?
Yes, you're alive. One more. You're smiling. That's a good sign. Yeah, look.
Yeah, I see.
All right, beautiful. So yeah, if you're watching this, headaches are not common. 1 or twice a week is not good. You want 1 or twice a year maybe. So if you're getting headaches or anything, come on in. All right, thanks.